In this video, we are going to see how we can get the 8-digit backup codes for our Google account. It's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is just log into your Google account. And once you do that, on the top right hand corner, you can see this profile icon. From here, click on Manage Your Google Account. And here you can see these options on the left hand side. From here, we will head over to the Security and Sign In. Click on that. And here you will see the option of two-step verification. Click on that. And you might need to enter your credentials again in order to make any change or see some of the other settings. So I've just entered my credentials again. And now you should be able to land on this area. From here at the very bottom, you will see this backup codes. Click on that. And from here, you should be able to see all of your backup codes. It is created these days ago. And if you want to refresh those codes, you can just click on refresh and click on get new codes. And then you should be able to get new codes, which you can download or print to add an extra security or somewhere you can keep your account secure. So whenever you forgot your credentials or something goes wrong with your account, you can always use the backup codes to sign back into your account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.